See, village building group has a dragon tree. See this, it's a building group. It's a village building group. It's our rope. So see, this is a dragon. So it's a dragon fruit. See, here is a dragon tree. It's a branch. So see, it's very beautiful. It's not too much land or anything. It's just above building. It's a building roof. It's, see, this is here. See, hold this. Okay, okay. See, you see, this is a dragon. This is another dragon. It's going to all reef. So see, it's very beautiful, and I'm see too very happy because I was wearing only one branch here and on the rope. So after it's become a too much branch and going, it's the day by day increasing. So see, it's actually I am very happy to see this tree because I wear and I care every day. So this tree, it's very beautiful, and see, it's very looking nice because in village side, or if you not cultivation a lot of dragon, that's won't be good. But you see, it's good for uh, good for home. It's not just a land, it's above proof. It's very nice, and some have some here also have some. This is a finger fruits tree, have a fingertips fruit. So it's very good to see, and looking very nice. And it's a day by day tree increasing, and have some actually have some raw dragon fruits, and only one have a reap dragon fruits here. So see, actually it's nice to see, very nice. So now is the rainy season, so every day come rain, and it's very good for tree, so increasing too much. So this, so have another tree. It's a finger tree. So it's nice to see, very nice. So I have a plan. I will cultivation a lot of here another side, like I wearing only one, but I will try to wear another branch. I will cut that branch. After I will cultivation another place because it's very good. When I was cultivated that, I was thinking it won't be grow, but day by day it's growing, so it's very good to see. So see, because it's one or two foods have, but it's not that's like that because I'm happy. So because our home have a dragon tree, so that is the region. So actually I'm very happy to see.